Okay, y'all, we finna go get us some CHIC FIL A. As always, I'm dressed up. I ain't finna go to the club no more, so I'm finna just start dressing up just to go somewhere. Me and Duty do. Come on. This is what you need. This right here. Let's go, son.
Hello, ma'am. You had the two
Happy Meals.
Happy Meals with an ice cream cup instead of the toy, and then a Coke, and then CHIC FIL A Polynesian and barbecue sauce?
Yes.
Yep.
I paid it.
Yep.
Okay. Thank you. All right. We almost to the window. Yes. Can we get cup holder?
Sorry?
Cup holder?
Absolutely. Do you want for 2 or 4?
2.
2? Okay.
Let it get real.
Here you are.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
Hold this.
All right, and straws and spoons are in the bag for you.
Thank you. And I got 2 of each sauce.
Yep. I have
Yes.
two CHIC FIL A, 2 barbecue.
Can I get one more Polynesian? Thank you so much. Have a good one. I'm finna show you how I got this double chin. Neil. Y'all, I got my CHIC FIL A, honey. It's finna go down. Yeah, I'm doing a whole mukbang. Gang. Child, how I do mine, I just rip the bag in half. Period. I just rip it in half like that down. Lay it down like that down. And I just pull my fries out. You said what, Tornado?
No, I said I had used it because we had just came from walking. I had to take me a shower.
What? If I would've known, I would've got nuggets or something. Yeah, this finna be too good right here.
I did want some CHIC FIL A though. Down, wish I was gonna eat.
I mean, you can get a French fry. I'll take y'all back up there. Just let me know. Oh, this finna be so good. Well, ain't no peace, y'all, cause they love to be loud in this house right here. They love to be loud in here, y'all. God is great. So good. I got all my sauce on. Judy not eating his. Auntie Nugget. I ain't call you. Be careful now for you knock my damn camera down. I was about to say CHIC FIL A done shorted me a nugget. Yeah. And girl, the taxi cab man from last night came to this house twice. So you gotta open your sauces. 3. CHIC FIL A sauce. Polynesian. And barbecue. Honey, who? I got my juice. It's finna get I don't need no toy. Sorry, I don't need no toy. I just need the juice. Auntie Nugget, where you at, girl?
Damn, bro, let me use the speaker.
Right there.
Man, that shit ain't all that good, nigga. You girl done made it. Well, go on
Now,
there.
why you got these little behind these shoes on already?
You hungry, Auntie Boo?
She just had her own.
They don't want me to have no peace while I'm doing my little mukbang. They are amazed. They're amazed. They're amazed. Everybody, come on in. Enjoy, Nugget. Come on in camera. Let them see you. You know, oh, getting it. Oh, girl. Oh, Go.
And I want you to look at that girl in the days to do a song. Sonny.
Just stand up.
That's how you know people.
Damn, I shouldn't invite her. Look. Take over. Eat it.
Not. You shouldn't have let her disrespect. She just be connected. What you say, what, Sonny?
Bye, Naked.
Right on that table. Bye, Nugget. Yeah, that's right. Bye, Nugget. You playing over my food now. Go bye-bye. Get your stuff. Go bye-bye.
Come on, bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Yeah, I just need the jam real quick. I'll bring it back. Drink one. Appreciate it real quick.
Keep it down. I don't want to get copyrighted.
That's how I know people be doing them mukbangs.
Can y'all keep it down in there, please? I'm trying to do a mukbang. Go in there. You gonna knock this over? Go in there. Do it. Come get her. She ready to holler. Go in there. Go. Oh, that's a good girl. That's Auntie Boo right there.
Come on, stop. You're not gonna fall. Stop. You're not gonna blame it on me. I'm gonna hold you up.
Oh.
Shh.
It's about to get real. This every day right here. This the real deal. Got my kitty cut because I got a 6-piece meal. Are you eating? Or do you want to be in the mukbang too?
I want to be in a mukbang.
They love it. They love it. Can y'all keep it down in there? Can y'all keep it down in there? I'm doing the video. This is the last piece. The last piece in the house of no peace. Cheers. That's it. It's over with that. It's over. Because once you rip that bag open, honey, it's over. Once you rip that bag open like this and lay your sauces out, game over. Game over. I'm finna tear this ice cream up real quick. Let's see what it's all about. Good, duh. Ooh. My broke best friend over there. Hey. He eating his. He lived good off me. This right here. This the one. Wow. Oh, I'm full. I get full off a 6-piece kids meal. What you saying now, huh? You all right? The food, baby. You all right? Okay. I feel you in that kicking. All right. Okay, then. Oh. Been cold. You know you had them if you had fillings, metal fillings, put that ice cream on your teeth if you want to. Freezer though. The freezer though. Cold as winter. It's cold as winter. That's too much. Too much ice cream. They fill this one up a lot, huh? They put a lot in this one here. Oh, they put too much ice cream in this one. Can't finish all this. Corona. Don't you? Okay. I'm done. I'm full. How you do it, Duty? You go front, side, front, side, cross, front, side, cross, front, side, right. Okay, I got a little something. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Bye. Until next time. Bye.